What's going on, karate family? This is Dan Holmes. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we're starting a video series on our fundamentals of karate weaponry, specifically the Kobudo weaponry. Our first video is going to be on the sai. Now the sai, there's a version of this in Chinese martial arts and in Japanese and Okinawan martial arts. It was originally used as a farming implement and is really more of a defensive tool. Everybody thinks that it's a sharpened knife or sword, and it's really not. It is a metal rod that could be sharpened on the end for thrusting and stabbing, but this was all a dull metal rod, and it was used for blocking, hooking, and of course hitting with the actual metal itself. So in order to use this, first thing you're going to do is you're going to hold it in this position here. You're going to loop it on your thumb, just like so. Other fingers are going to wrap around the opposite prong. And then the index finger is actually going to hold on the handle itself, and you're going to use your index finger to put pressure on it to hold it against your forearm. This can be used for blocking and hooking. You can use the puño, or the butt of the weapon, for striking. And then the other way that we're going to use it is that we'll call this the closed position. The other way is the open position. So what you're going to do to open, quote unquote, the weapon is you're going to release with your fingers, leaving it on your thumb, wrap your fingers around the handle, and then grab it with the thumb pressing down in the middle of the weapon here. So to go back, you do the exact opposite. You take your thumb, you loop it in the hook, you release with your fingers, let it swing back around, re-grab with the fingers and putting the index finger on the handle. Once you get good at this, it's a very easy process. You can do downward strikes, you can do side strikes here, okay? So that's pretty much the basic fundamental that you need. When holding the weapon in this position, it's an extension of your karate. It is, you can punch just like karate. What I would say is don't completely invert your hand this way, because you are going to catch yourself with the prong. Rather than that, keep the hand sideways so it can slide to your hip. But you can do your basic punches, basic blocking, okay? All of these things that you learned in your open hand martial art. What's going to follow is a fundamental kata that I teach my students, and the cool thing about my weapons curriculum that I'm teaching is that it is compartmentalized, so you can actually build upon it. You can take the fundamental kata and then you can add to it, add more challenging skills to make it an intermediate kata, and then adding yet more skills to make it an advanced kata. So I hope you enjoy the sai. Alright, and now we're going to do a walkthrough with the form at about half speed. Starting in ready stance position, both weapons in the right hand, coming to attention, bow. Bending the knees, arms circling forward, left hand grabbing the weapon. Crossing the arms, step into ready stance. We're going to do a quarter turn to the left in a back stance, side strike, followed by forward stance, reverse punch. Folding, doing a short half turn with 2 small steps, and same combination. Sliding in a back stance, downward strike, closing the weapon, opening the right, spear, spinning, putting the weapon behind, and a stepping side strike. Yeah. Folding, 3/4 turn, back stance, again side strike, reverse punch, same combination. A short half turn, 2 small steps, same combination.
From here, we're sliding the left foot to the right and then stepping the same left foot out for a hook and an X block combo, followed by stepping front kick, 2 punches. Same thing the other direction. Forward stance, hooking block, followed by X block, left leg stepping front kick, 2 punches. We're going to do a directly to the back, left hand high block, followed by right. Another 3/4 turn left hand on top, side strike in a side stance, and same thing sliding over to the right. Coming back to ready stance, attention bow. Okay, now a walk through from the rear. Coming to attention and bowing. Again, arms circling forward, left hand grabbing the weapon, ready stance. 1/4 turn to the left, side strike in a back stance, followed by reverse punch. Same thing, short half turn, other direction. Sliding downward strike, opening the right, stepping spear, spinning side strike, and a stepping side strike. Another 3/4 turn, side strike in a back stance, followed by reverse punch, same combinations. Left foot sliding to right, left foot stepping out, hooking and X block, stepping front kick, landing with 2 punches. Same thing, other direction. Finishing up, left hand high block directly to the rear, right hand, 3/4 turn, side strike, sliding, side strike Kia. Ready stance, attention, and back. That's it for our video today. I hope that you've enjoyed it and got something out of it. If you did, please like and subscribe the video. Help me grow my channel, and if you want to support my future endeavors, please check out my Patreon. And thank you so much. See you in the next one.